Every weekend, everybody's praying, nothing pops off in the Strait of Hormuz. Funny thing though, even the missiles know to wait till Wall Street clocks out. Imagine the president waking up to a market crash. His doctor's gotta run over in his pajamas. Yeah, we all want this war over fast. Problem is, the other side doesn't. Hell, does Netanyahu even want it to end? Cause even if the shooting stops, don't think the bill just disappears. We could be paying the price every time a ship squeezes through Hormuz. Oil goes up, inflation tags right along, and before you know it, everybody's talking higher for longer again. The market's driving like a kid learning stick stall, lurch stall, and somehow people keep calling that healthy. Money's walking out of stocks and running straight into treasuries. Gold wakes up, oil wakes up, volatility wakes up, yet somehow every dip is still getting called a buying opportunity. You call it confidence, I call it denial. Hey, CPI looks great. Oh, really? Who's been giving those numbers Botox? Yeah, yesterday my middle class buddy's wife was filling up a cart at Dollar Tree. Last year, even their dog was rocking Louis Vuitton. Turns out it was a knockoff. Now everybody's hunting for dupes. Nobody wants to open their wallet anymore. Lipsticks flying off the shelves. You seen Victoria's Secret stock lately? That ain't a booming economy. That's inflation wearing perfume. Everybody's trading down store brands, smaller carts, fewer extras. But Wall Street keeps telling me the consumer's resilient. Funny, resilience never used to mean buying less. And you still wanna tell me CPI looks great? Nah, remember? Papa Power one speech and the whole market slept like a baby. Now he's behind the curtain, here comes Wash. So what is he, a hawk hiding its talons? A dove dressed up like a hawk or something? Nobody's figured out yet. Everybody keeps asking, where's the dot plot? Who cares? Just look outside. The real economy already printed the chart. Rate hikes ain't gone, they're just waiting backstage. One hot CPI, one ugly jobs report, one bad inflation print. Watch out fast. Everybody remembers what higher for longer really means. And you still think AI is gonna save the real economy? The mega cap AI crowd is burning cash like electricity grows on trees. Every earnings call sounds the same. We're investing for the future. Translation, spend now, explain later. Hope shareholders stay patient. Funny thing is, deep-seek and Kimmy are squeezing every penny. I'm calling it now. Semis are headed for a trading range. Every bubble has a story, every story ends the same. Mark my words, I shorted Nvidia yesterday. You said you'll dance till the rain comes. Go ahead, you still feeling confident after watching Palantir? Does it sting? Keep smiling. The market's got a funny way of collecting its debts. I'll be here, waiting for the next headline.
Right?
Listen up.
So, everyone had a good vacation, huh? Well, Doomer, you must be feeling pretty good right about now.
Here we go again. I know you're hoping the attack happens during market hours because you want to watch the charts crash in real time. Hope you aren't still waiting for World War III or another subprime mortgage crisis. Every time somebody sneezes overseas, people start buying canned food and dumping semis in a panic. You know, money flows right back into the market in the blink of an eye. By the time FOMO, that terrifying little companion, comes knocking on your door, it's already too late. Hormuz? Seriously? Markets survive the Gulf War, 9/11, COVID, bank failures, debt ceiling drama. Somehow, we're still here. Oil spikes, then it cools off. That's what oil does. Every headline looks like the end of the world until next week. You call it panic, I call it opportunity. While you're waiting for the world to end, I'm buying.
Whatever, fine. Let's see who's right.
Yeah, looking at the dot plot is meaningless to you, isn't it? Don't act so smug. Do you really think you're smarter than the Fed members? How do you expect to survive in the stock market if you don't pay attention to the Fed's latest policies? Honestly, some people would rather read the FOMC meeting minutes than watch Netflix. That's called doing your homework, not guessing. Meanwhile, companies are still hiring, people are still flying, restaurants are still packed, airports are still crowded, concerts still sell out. Maybe, just maybe, the real economy isn't reading your Twitter feed. You call it burning cash, I call it investing. You think Amazon made money on day one? You think railroads, the internet, or smartphones were built on a budget? Every revolution looks expensive while it's happening. Everybody complains about the bill, nobody complains about the payoff. 20 years later, everybody pretends it was obvious. Deep sea, Kimmy, good. Competition makes AI better, it doesn't kill it. Cheaper models mean more users. Wait, you're using Kimmy? After making a fortune, shorting the market. Come on, just
Whatever.
pay for a US-made AI. Yeah, it costs more, better that than saving a couple bucks and waking up to your confidential data all over the internet. One day, your investors might get a voice phishing call using your own
Whatever,
voice.
fine.
And if we stop competing
Let's see
now,
who's
we're
right.
supposed to become the Lord of the Rings of AI. Show a little patriotism. You shorted NVIDIA yesterday, trying to be Barry again? Cool, hope it works out. Palantir, you just got lucky. That short was insanely sweet, wasn't it? Might give you a cavity, better brush your teeth. Hope you don't lose all those Palantir profits. Shorting NVIDIA, one good trade doesn't make you a prophet. See you at the next rally.